It's IBC 2023 and we're on the Broadcast Bionics booth and I'm with Dan. Hello Dan.
Hi,
So Dan, we've been talking about a couple of your products here. Now we've mentioned Virtual Rack before at previous shows, but we've got some updates, I believe.
yeah, so Virtual Rack's now beginning to go in live with customers, and it's really helping people solve this problem they found with using IT container technology, which is a fantastic way of leveraging the benefits of industry standard technology, but fitting it for the kind of low latency needs for broadcast are quite complex and quite a challenge to get working. You need exactly the right hardware, exactly the right software, exactly the right operating system and config, etc. So the appliance behind this has really helped to equip broadcasters to use that effectively. What we're showing at the show now is a wider range of vendors. So we've integrated for the show 2WCOM, Sound4 and Ferncast sort of codecs. So before we were showing you things like the Altus from Telos or from Axia. So this is a software console, but actually running inside software itself, inside the virtual appliance. But then here at the show, we're also demonstrating a couple of other kinds of codecs. So here we have the 2WCOM, which is multiple channels of streaming and encoding, either for intersite links or, as I say, sending out to multiplexers. So we're now beginning to have a full, rich family of products inside this virtual broadcast rack, which means we can take you all the way from the microphone processor through streaming and encoding to different sites to final FM processing. And that means we really can deliver not just a virtual rack with a limited range of functionality from a limited range of vendors, but hopefully a full industry standard product embraced by a number of vendors to give you that end-to-end capability to keep that workflow in software, which delivers the flexibility and agility in terms of pricing, in terms of business models, to allow broadcasters to meet the challenges we have, which is really how can we be more dynamic about delivering resources and facilities.
Yeah.
We used to build stuff to do one thing for 20 years. Now it might do one thing for a weekend, a week, 3 months, 6 months. We had to completely flex and reuse the silicon to do something new, deliver the Olympics or an election or a pop-up. And this really gives broadcasters the capability to build a really agile infrastructure. Again, boring stuff behind the scenes, but what it allows us to do is pretty cool.
Yeah. So you mentioned this now rolling out. Are you allowed to give us any insight into who's using it?
Yes, we've got a couple of big projects rolling out across Australia as we come into the autumn. And as I say, the vendors behind this, we started partnering with the Telos Alliance, and they've got some more containers coming on stream. And as there's a couple more vendors we hope to bring on board by the end of the year. But it's exciting watching this technology start to deliver the benefits without some of the frustrations that we've seen customers have over the last couple of years.
So a continually evolving product, basically.
Yes, yeah.
Fantastic. Dan, and where can people find out more?
We're just bionic.radio or whatever you said. 8C81 on the floor.
IBC. Thank you very much indeed, Dan. Do check out the other two videos we've been doing here on updates to the Camera One technology and also to Context. And for everything on Virtual Rack, check out Bionics' website. For everything else we're doing at IBC, check out KitPlus.com.